A steady green traffic light means you should A. Stop before entering the intersection. B. Proceed through if the way is clear, using caution. C. Accelerate to clear the intersection quickly. D. Yield to vehicles behind you. Answer B. Proceed through if the way is clear, using caution. When the traffic signal turns yellow and you have already entered the intersection, you should A. Stop immediately. B. Reverse out of the intersection. C. Continue moving and clear the intersection safely. D. Honk to warn cross traffic. Answer C. Continue moving and clear the intersection safely. Speed limit signs, black letters on white background, indicate the A. Suggested safe speed under ideal conditions. B. Exact speed every driver must maintain. C. Maximum legal speed allowed when conditions are ideal. D. Minimum required speed for that roadway. Answer C. Maximum legal speed allowed when conditions are ideal. Regulatory highway signs such as no U-turn are usually what color? A. Yellow. B. Green. C. White with black, red, or green letters/symbols. D. Orange. Answer C. White with black, red, or green letters/symbols. The sign shown with two opposing curved arrows and left turn only indicates a lane reserved for A. Left turns from either direction. B. Passing only. C. Two-way through traffic. D. Emergency vehicles only. Answer A. Left turns from either direction. Yellow dashed lines on your side of a two-way road mean you may legally A. Pass when it is safe to do so. B. Pass only in daylight. C. Never pass. D. Drive on the shoulder to pass. Answer A. Pass when it is safe to do so. South Carolina's primary safety belt law allows an officer to stop you if A. Any passenger is eating while driving. B. A driver or occupant is not wearing a safety belt. C. Your windows are tinted too dark. D. Luggage blocks the rear window. Answer B. A driver or occupant is not wearing a safety belt. For the lap portion of a safety belt to work correctly, it should be A. Across your stomach. B. Loose and above your hips. C. Snug and low across your hips. D. Tucked under the seat. Answer C. Snug and low across your hips. The shoulder harness of a safety belt should to prevent injury. A. Be worn under the arm. B. Cross the shoulder and chest with minimal slack. C. Cross the neck for extra support. D. Be detached when airbags are present. Answer B. Cross the shoulder and chest with minimal slack. Hand to hand, push/pull, steering positions your hands at approximately A. 10 and 2 o'clock. B. 7 to 8 and 4 to 5 o'clock. C. 6 and 12 o'clock. D. 9 and 3 o'clock only. Answer B. 7 to 8 and 4 to 5 o'clock. One-hand steering is recommended only when A. Driving faster than 55 miles per hour. B. Backing up or momentarily operating vehicle controls. C. Turning sharply on mountain roads. D. Cruising on straight highways. Answer B. Backing up or momentarily operating vehicle controls. When backing straight, grasp the steering wheel at the position with your left hand. A. 3 o'clock. B. 6 o'clock. C. 9 o'clock. D. 12 o'clock. Answer D. 12 o'clock. Backing should be done at A. A walking speed or slower, looking through the rear window. B. Normal traffic speed while checking mirrors only. C. Any speed if you have a backup camera. D. The posted speed limit. Answer A. A walking speed or slower, looking through the rear window. A shared center left turn lane may be used to A. Pass slower traffic. B. Make a left turn from either direction. C. Accelerate to freeway speed. D. Park temporarily. Answer B. Make a left turn from either direction. On multi-lane roads, the leftmost lane is generally intended for A. Driving below the speed limit. B. Large trucks only. C. Passing slower vehicles. D. Motorcycle travel only. Answer C. Passing slower vehicles. Using the zipper merge technique in heavy congestion helps to A. Eliminate the need for turn signals. B. Shorten traffic backups and equalize lane speeds. C. Allow early merging far before the closure. D. Reserve the right lane for emergency vehicles only. Answer B. Shorten traffic backups and equalize lane speeds. Golf carts with an SC-DMV permit may be driven only on roads where the posted speed limit is A. 25 miles per hour or less. B. 30 miles per hour or less. C. 35 miles per hour or less. D. 45 miles per hour or less. Answer C. 35 miles per hour or less. When turning right, you should A. Swing wide to the left before turning. B. Turn from the rightmost portion of your lane. C. Begin the turn from any lane. D. Stop in the intersection first. Answer B. Turn from the rightmost portion of your lane. Before making a left turn, you must A. Yield to oncoming traffic. B. Honk twice. C. Flash your headlights. D. Move to the right side of your lane. Answer A. Yield to oncoming traffic. A 3-point turnabout should be used only when A. You miss a freeway exit. B. The road is too narrow for a U-turn and not busy. C. You are in heavy traffic. D. You are on a one-way street. Answer B. The road is too narrow for a U-turn and not busy. At a four-way stop, if two vehicles arrive at the same time, who has the right-of-way? A. The vehicle on the left. B. The vehicle on the right. C. The larger vehicle. D. The faster vehicle. Answer B. The vehicle on the right. You must yield when entering a public highway from a private driveway to A. Pedestrians only. B. Vehicles already on the highway. C. No one, you have priority. D. Vehicles turning left behind you. Answer B. Vehicles already on the highway. When entering an interstate via an acceleration ramp, you should A. Stop at the end of the ramp. B. Match the speed of traffic before merging. C. Back up if you miss your gap. D. Merge at 20 miles per hour. Answer B. Match the speed of traffic before merging. Carrying an unsecured load that can slide, shift, or fall onto the roadway is A. Permitted if it weighs under 50 pounds. B. A misdemeanor and dangerous. C. Legal on rural roads. D. Allowed only at night. Answer B. A misdemeanor and dangerous. A vehicle displaying a disability placard may use a designated space only when A. The driver is running late. B. The weather is bad. C. Loading heavy packages. D. Transporting the person to whom the placard is issued. Answer D. Transporting the person to whom the placard is issued. Driving a golf cart on secondary roads is legal only during A. Daylight hours. B. Nighttime hours. C. Rainy weather. D. School zone times. Answer A. Daylight hours. When parallel parked along a curb, your wheels must be no more than from the curb A. 6 inches. B. 12 inches. C. 18 inches. D. 24 inches. Answer C. 18 inches. When parking uphill with a curb, you should turn your front wheels A. Toward the curb. B. Away from the curb. C. Straight ahead. D. Toward the right shoulder. Answer, B. Away from the curb. Parking is prohibited where signs or painted curbs show restrictions. These areas are called A. No parking zones. B. Low speed zones. C. Quiet zones. D. Buffer lanes. Answer, A. No parking zones. Under South Carolina law, using a handheld wireless device while driving is A. Encouraged for quick communication. B. Unlawful, drivers must keep hands on the wheel. C. Allowed only for GPS typing. D. Permitted for speeds under 25 miles per hour. Answer, B. Unlawful, drivers must keep hands on the wheel. A flashing yellow traffic light tells you to A. Stop, then proceed when clear. B. Maintain your current speed. C. Slow down and proceed with caution. D. Make a complete turnabout if safe. Answer, C. Slow down and proceed with caution. Work zone warning signs are typically A. Green rectangles with white letters. B. Yellow diamonds with black symbols. C. Orange diamonds or rectangles with black symbols. D. White squares with red circles. Answer, C. Orange diamonds or rectangles with black symbols. When approaching a roundabout, you should first A. Speed up to match circulating traffic. B. Sound your horn before entering. C. Stop unless directed otherwise. D. Slow down and yield to traffic already in the circle. Answer, D. Slow down and yield to traffic already in the circle. The white, X-shaped railroad crossing sign requires you to A. Continue without slowing if no lights are flashing. B. Stop at the sign regardless of traffic. C. Stop behind the stop line and proceed only when the tracks are clear. D. Drive around lowered gates if no train is visible. Answer, C. Stop behind the stop line and proceed only when the tracks are clear. Children age 7 and younger must ride A. In an appropriate child car seat in the back seat. B. In any seat as long as the airbag is off. C. Buckled in the front seat if a booster seat is used. D. With only a lap belt if over 50 pounds. Answer, A. In an appropriate child car seat in the back seat. Safety belts should be worn even when a vehicle has airbags because A. Airbags inflate only in rear-end crashes. B. State law exempts belted drivers from citations. C. Airbags prevent ejection by themselves. D. Belts position your body to maximize airbag protection. Answer, D. Belts position your body to maximize airbag protection. Before backing your vehicle, the first step is to A. Sound the horn twice. B. Check behind the vehicle before getting in. C. Rely solely on the backup camera. D. Flash brake lights 3 times. Answer, B. Check behind the vehicle before getting in. To maintain safe space, South Carolina recommends a minimum following distance of A. 2 seconds. B. 3 seconds. C. 4 seconds. D. 5 seconds. Answer, C. 4 seconds. Dim your high-beam headlights when you are within feet of an oncoming vehicle. A. 200 feet. B. 300 feet. C. 400 feet. D. 500 feet. Answer, D. 500 feet. The solid white line on the right edge of a roadway is called the A. Divider line. B. Edge line, cross only in an emergency. C. Center line, cross to pass. D. Ramp marker, merge left immediately. Answer, B. Edge line, cross only in an emergency. A shared center left turn lane may not be used for A. Making a left turn from either direction. B. Passing another vehicle. C. Waiting to enter a driveway. D. Turning left from a side street onto the main road. Answer, B. Passing another vehicle. When turning left from a two-way street, you should begin A. From the rightmost lane. B. From any available lane. C. From the leftmost portion of your lane. D. From the center of the intersection. Answer: C. From the leftmost portion of your lane. At an uncontrolled rural intersection, a prudent driver should first A. Accelerate to clear the junction. B. Honk twice and proceed. C. Slow down and be prepared to stop. D. Assume cross-traffic will yield. Answer: C. Slow down and be prepared to stop. When entering a multi-lane highway, use the acceleration lane to A. Stop and look for a gap. B. Match the speed of traffic before merging. C. Travel at 20 miles per hour until fully merged. D. Pass slower traffic on the shoulder. Answer: B. Match the speed of traffic before merging. Driving a golf cart on a secondary road is lawful only A. At night with headlights on. B. During daylight and within 4 miles of a gated community gate. C. When posted speed limit exceeds 45 miles per hour. D. After obtaining a commercial license. Answer: B. During daylight and within 4 miles of a gated community gate.